Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 2 to you. Week 2 is August the 21st through the 27th. We're going to be looking at saber conocer, the personal on direct objects. This tells you, the top is going to tell you what pages to study, that you've got to study pages 124 to 127 and 139 to 142. And what you should be doing when you finish is you should be able to understand the difference between the verbs saber and conocer and when to correctly use them, as well as be able to use the personal and indirect object pronouns when necessary, and to plan activities. This week's, you want to check Moodle for when the work is due, because this is going to be different for each class. So to start off with, you're going to want to watch those instructor-made videos. You can see the various videos here. Again, if you are in the face-to-face class, that's not a requirement unless in class I tell you that you need to. Then you're going to want to go into the class participation, and you're going to want to post any questions or concerns you have about what you saw in the videos. Okay, then you also have cultural assignment 1. So when you're ready, you're going to open up this assignment, and there's various links to videos. So if you click on the video link, you'll want to click the closed captioning and click English. So then you can see the English captions at the bottom, and you'll want to do that for each of the videos. And then when you're ready, you'll hit Attempt Quiz Now, and you'll go through and you'll answer the questions based upon what you saw, and it looks like the majority of them are true, false, and then you'll have some short answer. Okay. Then when you're done with the cultural assignment, you also have Test 1, which if we are the seated class, will take in class. The online class will take it online. So I'm going to go in and show. So if you're in the online class, you would come down here, and then you'll be able to find this. This is what we'll be taking in class. So you'll open it when you're ready. And then you'll just go through and answer the question. So you will, let me move this out of the way. So here, discover what the student does during a typical day by filling in the blanks with the logical word from the word bank. So you'll plug in the words in the, this one, you're focused on stem changing verbs. So you'll pick one of the 2 verbs that you're given, and then you'll conjugate it correctly, remembering that these are stem changing verbs. For the next one, you'll read this paragraph, and then you'll decide whether it says that all the statements are true, but there's only one that is not correct. You're picking the one that's not correct. So you'll just write in A, B, C, D in the blank there. For the next one, your study group is reviewing for an exam, and one member has come up with some great sentences to review the family vocabulary. So you complete the sentence with the correct vocabulary word. So you'll just plug in the familial vocabulary word that best completes the sentence. And you'll do that here. There's probably quite a few of them that are like that. So all of those are the same. Trying to see if anything's different. No. So that's, and then here, the last one, you're going to listen about Catalina's family, and then you're going to decide whether the statements are true, false, or not mentioned. And when you're ready, when you're done, you'll hit Finish Attempt, and it'll come to me. Okay. And then you also need to go out to My Language Labs and complete these activities that are on the calendar for the date in which your assignments are due. Just remember that you do not have to complete any of the extra assignments that you'll find on the calendar.